Hello, everybody. This is Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden. Guess what we're making today? We're making a vanilla and chocolate lotion for my granddaughters. Story time. My granddaughters and I were doing our monthly shopping spree I do with them, where I let them get an outfit apiece. There's two, Kenya and Kylie, they're 12 and 13. And they visit me quite often. And they're such lovely, wonderful girls, beautiful girls too. I'll show you their pictures in the next video. I'm going to show you me making it. I keep a lotion base that I make. That's anhydrous, which means it's made with water and rare oils. So we're going to take that off now. This is the base. This is the last of this tub that I've made. I'm going to make some more tubs. I've got two more over there. Oh, I'll get this lid off here. Okay. This is the base. This is a tallow base. Okay, and they asked me to make a vanilla chocolate. We were inside of a store, and in the store, they were shopping around. They came across the cosmetics and body bath and stuff like that for skincare and lotions and creams and lipsticks and glosses, which they got a little bit of both. But my one granddaughter came through me and said, "Hey, Grandma, come here." So they were both standing over this stand or this little bin that had lotions in it, in the tube. And they was like, "Oh, Grandma, can we get this vanilla chocolate lotion?" I've been a cosmetic chemist for 15 years, plus a soap maker for over 20. I said, okay, go ahead, get something like, something that's not something that's pure. I wasn't encouraging it, but what made me feel real good? My granddaughter said, "Grandma, I don't think we should get this. There's too many chemicals in it." Voila, for me. I said, thank you, God. They are listening to me. So I promised them I would make them some vanilla chocolate body lotion. I don't know if I'm going to do the whole butter or the lotion, but it's a butter right now. But I've got the chocolate essential oil here and the vanilla. So I got them here. And I have some additional coconut oil because my base is made anhydrous, which means it starts out with, I do like a hydrosol with water, and then I add my tallow and my coconut oil and either my shea butter or whatever, cocoa butter, whatever I want to enrich it with. But since this is the base and it's very thick, I'll show you how thick it is. It's really thick. This is a base. It's unscented. It's just pure ingredients for the skin. So I could keep it thick like this, or I could take it and I can whip it. But I'm going to turn this into a lotion. So I'm going to add the coconut oil to it. To my anhydrous base, so it can be more emollient and more moisturizing. I want to make sure that I'm going to stick this in here. Okay. So I'll fold this in some. Hope you all having a really, really good day. It's Sunday, I don't know what this is, March 23rd? Yeah, March 23rd. And tomorrow I'm going in for my pre-op for my second surgery on my right knee. I had my left knee reconstructed after a 15-year-old knee replacement, so I'm having the left one done April 22nd. So I'm trying to do all the little fun things I want to do. I'm going to have to incorporate this a lot better with the mixer, but I want to get it started this way. I like to start it with my own hands because, as I say, I make it with my own hands. So now I'm going to add the... Ooh, I hope that didn't spill. I hate when that happens. Now I'm going to add the real cocoa. Cocoa is really good for your skin. It has lots of antioxidants in it. It's going to give it this beautiful color as well. Oh, it smells nice with the cocoa. It's going to be a vanilla chocolate body butter and lotion. I'm kind of liking the body butter part of it. But see, kids, they like to dispense theirs differently. They're not really into the butter. They don't want all over their hands. I mean, they'll use it, but they'd rather pour it out of a container. Okay, I like that color. I think I want it slightly darker. Should I go darker? I don't know. Should I go darker? Let's put the chocolate in. That might darken it up some. This is the chocolate essential oil going in. Fold that in a little bit. I'm going to use an emulsifier. I mean, not emulsifier. A blender mixer. just like to do it by hand first. It's pretty, huh? Coming along nicely for that vanilla chocolate. Now let's add the vanilla. Okay. One other thing I gotta get. I gotta go get some more preservative. More preservative. Hold on your horses. Thought I had it out over here. I guess I didn't. Oh my God. I should have had that. I knew I was gonna forget something. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, where's my damn it, I gotta take it out. Okay, I'll use the bamboo extract. I'll use the bamboo extract. That's just as nice. Bamboo extract from Crafter's Choice. Okay, now I'm going to have to use the mixer now. I'm going to use this by hand for a little while, because I got to loosen it up. I know y'all in the video. Get that on the side. Get that on the side. That's looking pretty, ain't it? Just have to get it blended a little better. And it smells very good. Okay, now I gotta get it blended. So I'm gonna do it on the blender's in the other room, so I can't do that in here because it's big, it's on the floor. So I will show you that in the next video. But what I did want to show you was, let me wash my hands a little bit.